What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Ghost Fighter, 2T's, and you know I'm back with another informative heat video, bro. No, I'm just picking with y'all boys. Oh, I've been in that gym, bro. Yeah, I've been to Brody. I've been Brody up in the gym. What's good with y'all boys? Bringing y'all a video. I'm trying to share some heat with y'all, man. They got these. I'm gonna tell you how much I paid, where I got it from, and I guess the model or the design that I chose. So these, the model that I chose and design, I got them from Kohl's, and my awesome wife of over 20 years working for this company. I was able to get them for only about 50 bucks. So thank you for her service. Congratulations to her. Being able to get us money off of shoes later. And these are Converses. And these is the big dog size 13 because I wear a size 13. And we're going to be unboxing this. I want to say thank you all you guys that got me to 5,000 plus subscribers. Instead of me saying we at 5,000, we at 5,000 plus, baby. We done hit the unlock on that 5,000. Next on the way is the 10,000 mark, bro. So we're going to keep grinding with the car videos, putting out content for you guys on a daily basis. I know the hard work that I put in will pay off. I appreciate you guys and everything that you do. Sometimes, guys, it ain't what you say to someone, it's how you say it. You could be telling them the truth, but it's the way that you deliver it. So important, guys. So without further ado, let's get right on into the unboxing. And we're going to unveil these bad boys. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. Those all black on black dads, bro. I love these Jones. Got the All-Star in the top. These Chuck Taylors, bro. Got the blacked out symbol. Yes, sir, bro. I know style. I just never really was into it a lot before I really cared with shoes. Not only just shoes, but with clothes and stuff in general. I've always been a graphic tee person. Probably the past, I've been in the state I'm in about 20 years as a grown up. So probably about 15 of those years, I started getting into loving graphic tees like Jordan tees, tops. And I don't wear a lot of white. But sometimes when I go out with my family, I will wear, a white. I mean, guys. The gym's paying off, man. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. All right, guys. So, yeah. I'm gonna just tell you, I tried these shoes on, and they have a thing. So you actually could wear these. It has like it's not Velcro. It's like a stretchy material. See that? It has a stretchy material on the inside. So I could wear these without socks. Will I? No. I will lace them up just like I'm wearing them. And then I'll tie them up. And I'll put them all the way up right before the knot. Right before, the very top. I think they look, I don't know. I would say they look a little corny wearing them all the way up here. I don't want to wear them like that. I'll have the tongue kind of like so. But, I thought of these bad boys. This is one of my favorite shoes, and I actually tried these on in the store. I was like, okay, these things are amazing. I didn't think that people wearing these Chuck Taylors all these years. My daughter has had, all 3 of my daughters have had them. My wife got a pair, and they stand by that these things are so comfortable. And I always thought, man, these dang shoes ain't comfortable. Little did I know. Don't judge a book by its cover, and don't judge something before you try it yourself if it's all possible. You can see the design on it. These got to be some of the nicest Chuck Taylors they've ever done. That all blacked out is just, I don't know, man. It just does it for me. The all blacked out shoe and a Chuck Taylor is really sweet. Now, there's other shoes that you can get in all black. Like I have a pair of Under Armour that are all black, and they pretty much can go with all my outfits. But like, man, these are amazing, man. I really like them. If I had to give them a 1 to, if I had to give them a 1 to 0, how much I like these, I would have to say it's probably an 8.5. I would have to say the only thing that I don't like, I see it has the All-Star symbol on the back of it. Yep. The only thing I won't like about these is like the front of them, how long that's going to last to not get all scuffed up and stuff. And what could I do to polish it up to make it look, nice. I think that would be the only thing. But now, my whole family, we all can wear Chuck Taylors out when we go out. I'll have the all black pair. My daughter, she got mids like me, and hers are the black and white ones with black bottoms. And my oldest daughter has the same ones, lows. And then my other daughter has the same one, lows. And then my wife has some lows as well, black and white, all theirs. So I'll be the only one that'll have the blacked out version. But I wanted to bring you this video before I started wearing these, man. I try to, when I get something new, I'm picky. I want to review it and do a video on it before I get a chance to actually wear them. So I'll be wearing these tomorrow. When you guys maybe see this video, it'll be days later, but I had to get this video out before I wore these. These things are super comfortable. I love the material. They actually have some that are in leather, and I think these are more casual, and you can rock these pretty much with pants, shorts. This is the next best, like, comfortable shoe. This may be more comfortable than my Hey Dude, I'm not gonna lie. Those Hey Dudes I have are so comfortable. But after I try these on, the support that it supports my ankle, it's really nice. I like these. I think that these are really cool. This is, I'm pretty sure people probably try to play basketball in these things. So you guys let me know down in the comment section. I got them from Kohl's. I got them for about $50, 40, $50. I actually had got 2 graphic tees that actually go with this that I rock. I love graphic tees. One of them is a Batman graphic tee, and the other one is, I forgot what the other one was, but I got one that's a Batman graphic tee and one's something else. But I love graphic tees. I love t-shirts, man. I've been on the grind lately. This is the first night that I actually didn't have to work before shift overtime at 3 in the morning, and I've gotten some rest today. Got a chance to soak and rejuvenate my body. I really needed it. I've been on a real grind lately, guys. So I hope you guys appreciate the video. I'm not gonna hold you guys no more. This your boy Ghost Out of 2 T's. Hope you guys enjoyed the view of these, and yeah, let me know what you guys think when you go grab your pair of these from Kohl's. $40 to $50 depending on your discounts and things you get for cash at Kohl's. And yeah, that's it. Hit me with a sub, like, and a comment, man. We're gonna keep on grinding to 10K, man. Ghost Out 2 T's, I'm out.